The future of self-service by empowering non-technical users. Self-service by lets users access and analyze data without tech skills. Non-technical users can easily explore and visualize data. They can use user-friendly tools and interactive dashboards. Self-service business intelligence by is changing how organizations use their data. It lets users create reports and insights without relying much on IT. Giving everyone access to data lets them make better decisions and drive growth. Empowering non-technical users. The future of self-service by lies in its ability to empower non-technical users. Self-service by tools let users easily explore and analyze data. They have intuitive interfaces, drag-and-drop features, and natural language processing. Users don't need IT support. This design helps all users, no matter their tech skills. It lets them access data to drive business growth. The role of technology in self-service by. As technology continues to advance, so too do the capabilities of self-service by. By tools are now adding AI and machine learning. This enables predictive analytics and personalized insights. Cloud-based solutions offer scalable, accessible platforms for data analysis. Big data integration provides a complete view of organizational data. New tech is evolving self-service by. It's now more powerful and efficient than ever. The benefits of self-service by for non-technical users. The benefits of self-service by for non-technical users are vast. Self-reliance in data analysis lets users decide faster and better. Custom reporting and trend analysis tools help users find hidden insights. Interactive dashboards show real-time visualizations of key metrics. Self-service by lets non-tech users become knowledge workers. It drives innovation and creativity in the organization. The future of self-service by innovation and collaboration. As self-service by evolves, we can expect more user-friendly tools and advanced analytics. The focus will shift to seamless integration and decentralized analytics. This will let users analyze data across multiple sources. Conclusion. In conclusion, self-service by has a bright future. Technology is driving innovation and empowering non-technical users.